Hi friends, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to know the easy breakfast ideas for type 2 diabetes. Generally, for many people, breakfast is the most neglected meal of the day. But people with diabetes, breakfast is a must and have real benefits for the health. It is really important to choose a nutritious breakfast that will keep you full and your sugar levels in a healthy range, which can vary from person to person. The breakfast must include combination of carbohydrates, protein and healthy fats in the right proportion. The simple friendly breakfast recommended is a plate of eggs with avocado on a whole grain toast. Skipping any of the meals can create blood sugar fluctuation and extreme hunger cravings, which leads to overeating at meals and it raises the blood sugar levels. There are many recipes with plenty of nutrients which are easy to make and delicious too. The 5 balanced friendly breakfast ideas which are recommended are noted below. The first one would be whole wheat blueberry muffins. Generally, the common myth of diabetes is that sugar and carbs need to be avoided. But in order to manage blood sugars, combining higher glycemic index foods with protein-rich foods in a meal can help lower your glycemic load, keeping blood sugar and energy levels stable. The second one is eggs and lentils on toast. The scrambled eggs and toast can be healthy way to start your day. The egg, in addition of lentils, provide satiation proteins to keep you fuller for longer level. The third one is whole grain cereal with oatmeal, egg and ground flaxseed. This high protein oatmeal recipe has staying power and make diabetes friendly by addition of proteins from eggs and milk and healthy fat from the grounded flax seeds. The fourth one is breakfast smoothie with berries and Greek yogurt. To make a balanced smoothie with protein and fiber and relatively low in sugar, this smoothie consider all the requirements. Besides, the smoothie would be delicious too. This recipe needs just an yogurt and frozen berries. The fifth one is no baked blueberry almond energy bites. For breakfast, one can grab a handful of whole raw almonds and a small serving of low glycemic index fruits such as berries, a peach, an apple, or an orange. So here these are few meal plans, and so guys, you can create these meal plans for you and have a great meal for the day. Thanks for watching our video and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.